abandon, abandonment, abeyance, about, absolute, evidently, abuse, accessory, accordance, account, accusation, accused, accused, appellant, accusation, acquitted, additional, adduced, adjournment, adjudication, adjectivatory, administrators, admitted, adult, alteration, trans, adverse, advisor, advocate, affidavit, affirmation, agreement, all for alimony, Allahabad, allegation, alleged, already, alternate, alternative, analyst, analyst, ancestor, andra, annoy, annoyance, annullment, unknown, another, and, anti, appeal, appear, appearance, appearing, appellant, appetent, application, apprehend, apprehension, arbitration, argue, argued, arguing, arguments, arise, arms, army, arrears, arrest, articles, assembly, assessment, assignee, assignment, assistance, assistant, association, assume, attached, attachment, attention, attorney, auction, authenticate, automatic, averment, award, bail, bailable, banking, bankrupt, paid, before. Behavior being below, bench, benefit, past, beyond, bilateral, black, blind, please, Bombay, bonafide, bond, bonds, breach, break, breaking, brief, briefly, being broken, proctor, brush, burden, calendar, cancellation, capital, carefully, case, categorically, court, cause, caused, causes, causing, cautionally, convict, seize, certificate, certify, chapter, charge, charges, chemical, chief, child, circumstances, circumstantial, citizenship, civil, claim, class, clause, clear, clearly, close, cloud, code, cognizable, cognizance, coin, collateral, college, commercial, commission, commissioner, committed, committees, community, companies, comparative, compensation, competed, complaint, complex, conclusive, conclusively, condition, conditional, conduct, confession, confessional, confinement, connection, consecutive, consecutional, consideration, considered, conspiracy, constitutional, conception, contact, contempt, contending, contention, contest, continuance, contraction, contrary, controversy, convicted, conviction, cooperative, co-passionally, corporal, corporation, corpus, corruption, cost, counsel, counterfeit, court appointment, courts, crack, credited, crime, criminal, cross-examine, culpable, query, curiously, currency, custody, customs, damaging, dangerous, stealing, death, debtor, decidency, decision, disease, declaration, declaratory, declare, decree, decretal, deed, default, defense, defend, defender, defile, defiling, delegation, delicit, delinquent.